Very good evening. Hello, dear viewers. How are you doing? Thank God we are doing fine. Our dear viewers, right now we are going to make with you international Arabian, Pakistani, Russian mixed vegetable salad. So ingredients I can tell you: half a cup cabbage, half a cup finely chopped carrots, half a cup cucumber, finely chopped tomatoes, boiled green peas half a cup, and half a cup green coriander very finely chopped. And other ingredient is yogurt. This is as per our requirement, or as much as you like to add. Then we have salt and pepper. Then we have cumin. This is pinch of cumin seed, or 1/4, you can say 1/4 teaspoon. So let's start with this, mixing all these things. Tomatoes, green cabbage, boiled green peas, very finely chopped carrot, and very finely chopped cucumber, and green coriander very finely chopped. We can mix little bit these things with two things, spoon and other fork. Very nice. Wow, what a beautiful color, natural color, multicolors. So right now we will mix yogurt as much as required, needed. Mix it up. Wow, beautiful, beautiful. So why I said Arabian, Pakistani and Russian? So this is we can say like fusion salad, mixture of different nationalities, like international salad. Right now we are going to add mayonnaise, 1 serving spoon. So this is mayonnaise. This recipe is 10 minutes recipe. That's why we are already doing very fast, because I don't want to make very long video. Great. How it looks like. Nice. Then we can sprinkle little bit black pepper, little bit salt, and pinch of cumin seeds. Wow, mashallah, great, looking great. I think little bit yogurt we can add, not too much, little bit. Great. Amazing. So it's ready, and we are going to show you after we dish out, or when it's done 100%. Okay buddies, everything is ready now. We already dished out and sprinkle all the spices on it. I hope you will like this international recipe. Our salad is very tasty one. We already tried at home. Please try at home and let us know how did you like it. At the end I'm going to request you, please comment, share, like our videos, and don't forget to subscribe our channels. It's free. So nice of you for your good time. Have a nice time. Bye bye.